In his last COVID-19 press conference today, Governor Ralph Northam issued an emergency declaration.
The goal is to help hospitals and first responders that are overwhelmed with COVID-19 cases.
10 News reporter Duke Carter joins us live in the newsroom tonight. He's explaining how this will help. Duke?
Hey, good evening, John and Brittany. So yeah, in part, that emergency declaration issued today by Governor Ralph Northam pretty much allows providers with an active out-of-state license to practice here in the Commonwealth. It also allows physician assistants to practice without a written supervisory agreement. The overall goal, the governor just wants to make sure people are safe and healthy.
Today, we're going to be taking additional steps
to make sure people can stay healthy. Governor Ralph Northam issued an emergency declaration to help frontline workers
because they are tired, they're exhausted, and they're burned out.
Northam says the order was issued after seeing a high number of COVID cases Friday. Statewide, ICU patients doubled from 235 to 567 since December 1st. The emergency order increases the number of available beds and medical staffing at hospitals and nursing homes. It also allows providers with an active out-of-state license to practice in Virginia, and it gives experienced physician assistants permission to practice without a written supervisory agreement. The goal is to ease hospital capacity as well as give healthcare workers some relief.
So please go to the hospital only if you believe you really need to. Let's not put even more pressure on hospital workers to care for people who don't need to be there when they're seeing rising numbers of people who do need to be there. That's why we're taking action today to help our hospitals.
Governor Northam also spoke about having more COVID rapid tests available. Northam says it has been difficult to keep up with demand, and he hopes with 9 new testing centers opening, it will help people know if they have the virus.
These will be able to process about 500 tests a day, 6 days a week, although 3 larger sites should eventually be able to do 1,000 tests a day.
Now, one of those testing sites, the new testing sites, I should say, rather, will be near the Valley of View Mall. Now, Governor Northam and the Governor-elect Glenn Youngkin, they have actually been in conversation to make sure people will still have access to getting tested as well as getting vaccinated. For now, reporting live here in the newsroom, Duke Carter, 10 News, working for you.